How to add wholesale to your Shopify store. Hello everyone, welcome to Complete Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to add wholesale to your Shopify store. So let's get started. Start by accessing your Shopify dashboard. In the lower left corner, you will find Setting option. Click on it. Within the Setting menu, choose App and Sales Channel. At the top of the screen, click on Shopify App Store. Once you are in Shopify App Store, locate the search bar and type Wholesale. You will discover various apps designed for wholesale functionality. Select the one that suits your need. Click on Install. After the app is installed, proceed to the next step. Look for the Activate App option and click it. Once the app is activated, select Create Wholesale button. Provide a name for your wholesale setup and click Next. Enter the pricing and discount details as needed and click Next. Now you can specify which user this rule will apply to. In this example, we will choose all users. Click Next. Decide on the products to which you want to offer discounts, such as all products. Click Next. You will be presented with a preview of Wholesale widget. If you wish to customize the widget, you can choose a custom template. Click Next and finally save your changes. That's it. You have successfully configured wholesale pricing on your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials.